So you need to remove this hose. To undo this bolt, use the 30 socket bit. Socket. Undo this bolt. Additionally, you can undo this coolant pump, but I will not. This one over there. To remove this plastic hose and disconnect this sensor. And also this clamp to remove this hose. And next, unclip this coolant hose. Because this part is getting in the way of these two bolts, and it will be easier to install. And remove this oil sump, oil pan. Next, drain oil. It's 19mm socket. 16mm socket onto one bolt here, 2 and 3 from the gearbox, bolts over here, over there, and over there. In this flywheel you will have some gaps to undo these bolts. So rotate engine 19mm until you will see this gap in the flywheel, this area in the flywheel, I will say. It gives you more access to this bolt, to undo this bolt. Then maybe you will need this kind of extension bar. So with socket it moves right, left. And here you go. Sometimes sealant holds this bolt, so you need some magnet. And other one also. Just set this position, this gap in the flywheel over here, and you will undo it very easy. And then 10mm socket to undo all the bolts of the sump. So there is this spot over here, and from this side over there, where you can put some screwdriver or something like this, and you can easily remove Remove one side, other, and you will see the beauty of this engine. Pull this another way, another side. And what we have, nice and clean. Wow. Section wipe is clean. It's still good. That means it's good. The engine will be working, at least for now. So the original sealant is white, something like white or white, not gray, not black. And now I need to remove this drive shaft for oil pump. It connects with these balance shafts, and balance shafts are connecting to these gears with the crankshaft, and when crankshaft rotates, it rotates this balance shaft gear, this one, and balance shaft through this hex drive rotates oil pump, and when this hex is in bad shape, it moves for itself. Even don't move, just moving. This balance shaft is moving, but oil pump still stays in place. So sometimes you need to remove this and change. You will need this kind of pliers to remove this ring, this circlip. Remove ring. It's very small. Next, with magnet, I hope so. With power of magneto, it will coming out. Yep, it's coming out pretty easy and still good. As you can see, in this place it's wearing out in working places. And the name of this hex now you can install new one back in place. So you can install new ring. So if this ring is in place, you can rotate. That means it's good, it's in place. he needs some numbers. Number of this shaft. Also, you can check O-ring sealing in this suction pipe. Do this bolt and this, it's M8, sorry, it's M8. Okay, that's it. Now you need to remove all this sealant, clean this whole thing, the grease, and install